It's the MSI Foundations class and the Electricians class. They're combined and they're graduating together as a whole, so that's really exciting.
You guys have a bright future in front of you.
This program has impacted my direction and my trajectory of where I want to go.
It's giving me the opportunity to really one day become a true provider for the family I aspire to have.
I think it's an amazing program. It goes by fast, it's simple, it's easy to learn. I think it's an amazing program to be in.
We're recruiting. We've been working with GCU for some time now. What I've noticed about GCU students since we began hiring them, they come with the right attitude. They're very dependable, they're very eager to learn. Finding young people that want to be in electrical field, I'm going to do everything I can to support them.
Character means a lot. Ethics, accountability, transparency, all of those great attributes that you look for in a student in the classroom, that's what we're looking for to be part of the apprentices, because it's not just learning the trade, it's those soft skills that leads into supervision, management, and leadership skills. So my encouragement to them is the sky is the limit. What they're doing is they're just learning their path. And so through that, if they have interest in the trade, specifically the electrical, there's incredible amounts of opportunity, and through dedication, hard work, and these are contractors that are here to support them, they're giving them the opportunity to become the best.
Hopefully I get hired by TSMC. If not, there's always endless opportunities out there for me to keep doing, to keep striving for.
Already got an offer, so I'm starting a job soon and just making my way up, climbing the ranks, and like I said, just being a provider.
My family, I just love them being here, supporting me. They've been supporting me along the way, so I'm really appreciative of that.
Give it a shot. It might not be for everyone, but you'll never know unless you try it.